So today we are going to do a quick activity. Now let's see how to do this activity. So first you will create a Google Doc. Once you are done with creating the Google Doc, you will name the Google Doc as Internet. So write Internet as the title of the Google Doc. Then inside the Google Doc, you can increase the font size. And inside the Google Doc, you will put the heading of the Google Doc as Importance of the Internet, and then write School at Home. So once you are done doing this, what you need to do next is read the instructions given for the activity. So these are the instructions. You have already created a Google Doc and named it as Internet. Then you have given the title of the document as Importance of Internet and School at Home. Now you will first write where do you use internet every day. So you can write, come back to Google Doc, and so you can write that I use the internet to open a web browser, to fill in my attendance, to solve the Google Forms, and many more things. Next thing that you need to do is, after that you need to write why do you use the internet. Now why do you use the internet? We are using the internet because due to COVID lockdown, we are not able to go to the school and attend regular classes. You can also write more if you want to. Now next thing that you need to write is, how do you imagine school at home without the internet? Yes, so how do you imagine school at home without the internet? So you can write over here, it would not be possible to study without the internet during this lockdown. You can also write that it's very helpful for us to finish our studies and learn new things. Yes, you can write this. You can write something else also. The answers can vary according to you. You write what you think about these questions and then write down the answer. Once you are done doing this much, you can decorate your document. You can change the font type, you can change the font style, you can change the font color if you want to. You can also add images if you want to. We have learned doing how to do that. So yes, it's up to you to decorate the Google Doc and upload it in the Google form.